Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the battery level of Bluetooth devices on Windows 11. So guys, sometimes we have to check the batteries of our Bluetooth connected device. So let's get started. Go to search bar. Now go to settings. Click on it. On the settings page, go to Bluetooth and device as you can see here. Now click on it. Now you can see here my battery percentage is 50%. Uh, to see it thoroughly, go to view more devices. Now as you can see here, my battery level indicator, it's showing 50%. Depending on the device type you have to connect it to, you will able to see the available battery percentage. So guys, this was an easiest tutorial to how to see the battery percentage connected to your Windows 11. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next video. Bye bye.